such a good freaking salad. Let's do Burma Superstar's tea leaf salad. First things first, you gotta take about a 1/3 cup of yellow split peas, dried yellow split peas, put them in a bowl and cover them with water. Now you just let this sit for 4 hours or overnight. So if you're gonna do it the next day, just plan ahead. This is the easy part. Do it the night before and then come back. The rest of the salad comes together really, really quickly. 4 hours later, they're kind of reconstituted. Drain them, get ready to go. Small pot, medium high heat, 1/2 cup of olive oil. Let it heat for 1 minute and then add your 1/3 cup of split peas. Now that the oil's bubbling pretty rapidly around the split peas, we're gonna lower the heat a little bit and let it go for about 5 more minutes. All right, grab a plate, grab some paper towels. You can't really dry these on a rack, they'll fall right through, at least not on anything that I have. So layer a plate with some paper towels and get ready for when the fried split peas come off. All right, 5 minutes are up, kill the heat. Grab a strainer, get the fried split peas, set them on a paper towel to drain. Salt them. Now we're looking to fill a 1/3 cup with thinly sliced garlic chips. So let's get busy. You can't really pop these because you want the slices, so you gotta kind of be a little more gentle with them. It's a little tedious, which is probably why I don't make this stuff all the time, but I promise you, fried garlic, if you don't know, is fire on like everything. My buddy and I, with our little project we have, put this on so many things. Small pot. Medium high heat again. This time, about a 1/2 cup of canola oil. Heat it for about 1 to 2 minutes. You don't want it to be screaming hot. All right, add your garlic chips. Let them bubble rapidly for a couple seconds, and then go ahead and turn your heat to low. And let them go for about 3 minutes. That smells awesome. Coarsely chop about a 1/4 cup of toasted peanuts. All right, seed and dice 1 Roma tomato. All right, seed and dice 1 jalapeno. Be brave. I promise the salad's amazing, but that shrimp powder, it's shrimpy. Then there's fish sauce. Like a step up from a dead body. It's delicious. I'll even put it in spaghetti, but that shit smells fucking disgusting. All right, about 6 cups of thinly sliced romaine lettuce. All right, this is laphet, right? It's like a fermented tea leaf. We're gonna need about a 1/2 cup of it packed in there. I have a couple local markets near me where I can get stuff like this, but if you can't, you can easily get it on Amazon. A little pinch of crushed red pepper. 1/3 cup canola oil. 1 garlic clove. Juice of a lime. Pinch of salt. Put it on. Okay. Tea leaf dressing. jalapeno, fried garlic, fried split peas, fish sauce, shrimp powder, Roma tomato, toasted peanuts, toasted sunflower seeds, toasted sesame seeds, juice of a lime. All right, here's one with lessons. So my wife and I were in San Francisco at one point, this is about 6-7 years ago, and we're driving through the city in an Uber, and we asked the Uber driver, what's good to eat around here? If it's me, I'm gonna go to this place called Burma Superstar, and I'm gonna get something called the tea leaf salad. But I'm not kidding, this is, just trust me, go try it. You've never had anything like it. It's amazing. So we go, and it was amazing. So the lessons, one, if you're out of town, you're not local, and you're in an Uber, listen to your Uber driver, because we've gotten great recommendations over the years, like all over the place from drivers. And then two, obviously, don't judge something by its name.